Hi everyone. Today, I want to show you how you can share a folder or a hard drive that's on one computer with other computers. Let's jump into it here. I am on my desktop, and I want to make some files available on my laptop. I use this hard drive here, my E-drive. It's a 48 gigabyte hard drive connected to my desktop, and I want to make these files available on my another PC. Now let's say these YouTube video. I'll click into this. These are all YouTube videos, and I want to make these files available on my another PC. Let's right-click on E-drive and select the option of properties. Then this dialog pops up, and it has all these different options across the top, but what we're interested in doing is I want to share this with my another PC. So we're going to click on the one that says sharing. Within sharing, it says it's not currently shared, but there's an option here for advanced sharing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and within here, I want to click on share this folder, and here the share name is just because it's my drive. I can also click into permissions, and here I'm allowing anyone to access it, and I can give full control where people can add new items, they could delete existing items, they could rename things. So you could also simply set someone to change, but I'm just going to set it to read, so they could read the contents here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on Apply OK, and then I'm going to close this. So right now I have sharing my hard drive. Let's jump into the another desktop. I want to get to that shared location, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up File Explorer, and what you could do is here and search. I'm simply going to type in Explorer, and it'll pop up right here in my app list File Explorer. Let's go ahead and open that up. So here's File Explorer. And what I want to do now is at the bottom here, I'm going to click on the option that says Network and open this desktop. Now my E-named hard drive has shared here, and you can see files and especially YouTube video files. I think this is an easiest way to share file from one computer to another computer. If this information was helpful for you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to watch more useful videos like these.